District ya Kasese Nzukwa Joseph omurambuzi w'ebigezo mu district egi Zoba yahabura abeegi kwesiga emitwe yabo hamwe n'ebibegesibwe kutari kugira amatsiko mu bintu nk'amarogo.
Eye ya Africa tukinawuti abantu abakinikirira omwabende bendo obondese nyamuhanga ya mubitugikirira ya itwebosi nari konde abantu babo bakinomwa omwashe society cyatulemo omwa Uganda muno no mwa Africa nari tukabe tukatakataka abana betu tukabatakatera kwa musenji owa nyamuhanga na kutsibutsibu nunge school eribire kwa musenji owekelezia tukabuti abantu tikiriria omunyamuhanga mu mamusa omukristo oyo iyo wabere tumalera kandi tudizimo cyafukala bamwe
ogwona yashaba abazaire kwera abana babo ombwire obubwebigezo nko kukiri kubasika
tunyomuliyeyo omwayo mani ya myeka kandi nyabirisa kangwa ahabwe bizamu ebyetugayikala ebyetwamata tukateka abana munabwire abesinye yakana ngakusaba ende omwana oyo kisi umutwaro kwa school obundi mwandi matendekero bangana bwamba asiyasende behe ebyeye ese n'abana abusi bakifire bawerikala sekutira matero wendiba asiyasende
we Businge Judith ori omuhwezi wa mukuru w'ishomero lya Kasese Secondary School kandi ori nyampara w'ebigezo yarabura abejo butakigeza kwejumbira mu muze gwo kwibe bigezo ngo habo kubeki necyakabikahango
anything even if it is irrelevant. As long as this is scripted on your ruler, for example, you have been writing anything on your ruler should not have anything written on them. Only your name. Only. Any other thing, even if it is relevant to the paper, is a form of malpractice. Let us be very careful.
10, 5, 3, 2, and 1.
Omuganda gakushana nago district ya Kazo briefing yabeji yagenda kurungi.
Jehovah, you are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the most high God. Jehovah,
abeji kurga ishomero lya Kazo Secondary School bayoreka amatsiko go kwike bigezo no buharabe habire hakesharingo kabashomesa.
Kazo Secondary strabi affected that. Most of our teachers are private teachers, as our HM said. Deputy ya Uganda. Yes, tukatungamuka a few disturbance kama tisharabire chamani. Kandi tango kuteterekanisizo ngabeje. Because no focus ngabe tawetu but wakata content tunakushomera utabutka mentuka feeling relaxed.
So itwenkito ngabeje tugerizo gukora mu muhango gukora revisions cooperation kushomera utabitu n'abashomesa bitu bageza kutwera muri yecho abo kubana barabagiye mu kesharingo tukajya batyaza bataba government bagumamba tukora revision chat stya briefing so nitotwetebekanise je tantu mande bintu tuja gukora nk'eto kabeje when stand softand command na kupa ya geography ayikuza kwendera kimwe biro bitano abakoza kwendera na nyangore kweza geography ntaza kurata biology ndumwe ibintu byonanze kugenda jya uko twuze na revision cyo kubazanya insima abazire betu kuri ngo tushira hano na sente zabo no kufayo okuturondera fizi munite twashika ahizoba nke ubwo musinya wano na hati kandi kindi ni insima bashomesa betu obutatargaho batfire kumunonga bashomesa bingi bwenu batfire kumunonga ni insima na government abo gumane netamu amashomere binte bishimiye kuba no gukoresa wamo
kandi ho nawe ori omuhwezi wa mukuru w'ishomereri Mutabazi Godoni yashobora buryo bateireho okushomesa abeji ombwire wa kesharingo
ako kwagamba tugira mu tukagira industrial action ya bashomesa ba secondary nyamune tamwe hwire haza konka ekamara bwire buke konka good enough abenja bitu bakaguma yesa bamwe bakagizamu konka binje bakaguma bashomesa abana kandi abari abacha babe batari katwine private teachers abatakushora government those were expected to be around and they were around so they covered that gap.
Gasha kwa Mate Isa kanasima naume abwa Tayari West.